Hey everyone, in this video we will review Ironbeam Futures. Ironbeam is a futures trading platform that has become increasingly popular among both beginners and professional traders. As of 2025, it continues to be a key player in the futures trading world, offering a modern platform, powerful tools, and direct access to the futures markets. If you are considering Ironbeam as your main platform, you're probably wondering whether it's worth using, especially when there are many other brokers and platforms available. To make this decision easier, let's explore what Ironbeam offers, how it works, and whether it's a good fit for futures traders in today's market. Ironbeam is both a futures commission merchant (FCM) and a clearing firm. This means they don't rely on third-party intermediaries to process your trades. Instead, they give you direct access to major futures exchanges like CME, CPOT, NYMAX, and COMAX. This can lead to faster execution times and fewer errors in trade processing. For active traders, this is a big deal because speed and reliability are essential when trading futures where prices can change in seconds. Being a clearing firm also means that Ironbeam has more control over customer accounts, risk management, and margin settings. One of the standout features of Ironbeam is its trading platform. It is web-based, which means you don't need to download or install anything to use it. You can access it from any modern browser, whether you're using a computer, tablet, or even a mobile phone. The platform is designed to be fast, responsive, and intuitive. It offers real-time quotes, advanced charting tools, order management, and customizable interface. Everything is built around user experience. Even if you are not very experienced in trading, the clean layout and easy navigation help reduce the learning curve. In terms of charting, Ironbeam gives you access to a wide variety of chart types and technical indicators. You can view candlestick charts, line charts, and bar charts. You can also add moving averages, RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, and many other popular indicators. Drawing tools like trend lines, support or resistance levels, and Fibonacci retracements are also available. This allows traders to conduct in-depth technical analysis directly within the platform. You don't need to switch between multiple platforms or tools to analyze and trade. Everything can be done in one place. Order execution on Ironbeam is another strong point. The platform allows you to place market, limit stop, and OCO one cancel the other orders. You can also create bracket orders with preset take profit and stop loss levels. This kind of flexibility is important for managing risk, especially when trading volatile futures contracts like crude oil, gold, or index futures. The platform is fast and trades are executed with minimal slippage. There are also features like one-click trading and depth of market or DOM views that make it easier to monitor price levels and place trades quickly. Another feature that futures trades will appreciate is its built-in risk management tools. Ironbeam allows you to set daily loss limits, margin call alerts, and auto liquidation levels. These tools help prevent large account drawdowns and give you more control over your trading exposure. Since futures trading is highly leveraged and comes with a significant risk, having these tools in place is not just helpful, it's essential. Many beginner traders lose money in the futures market because they don't properly manage risk. Ironbeam helps you avoid this by giving you the tools to stay disciplined. Customer support is also one of Ironbeam's strengths. They offer 24 hours customer service from Sunday evening to Friday afternoon, which matches the future trading week. You can contact their support team by phone, email, or live chat. The team is known for being responsive and knowledgeable. Whether you need help placing a trade, setting up your account, or understanding margin requirements, their staff can guide you. This level of customer service is especially helpful for new traders who are still learning how the futures market works. Now, let's talk about the mobile experience. In 2025, Ironbeam has significantly improved its mobile trading app. The app includes many of the same features as the desktop version, including real-time quotes, advanced charts, order placement, and accounting monitoring. This means you can trade futures from anywhere using your phone or tablet. The mobile app is especially useful for active traders who want to keep an eye on the market while on the move. You can also receive alerts and push notifications for pricing changes, order fills, and margin calls. When it comes to commissions and fees, Ironbeam is fairly competitive. They offer different commission structures depending on your account size and trading volume. For high-volume traders, they provide custom pricing. In addition to commissions, you'll also pay exchange fees, NFA fees, and clearing fees, which are standard in the futures industry. However, since Ironbeam is a clear firm, they can sometimes offer low total cost compared to brokers that rely on a third-party clearing services. It's important to note that while fees can add up, the overall value you get from the platform often justifies the cost, especially if you're an active trader. Ironbeam also supports multiple data feed options. You can subscribe to live market data from major futures exchanges, and the data is delivered with minimal delay. The platform allows you to choose between different levels of data access depending on your trading style and budget. Whether you want full depth market data or just top of book quotes, Ironbeam has options available. In 2025, data will become even more crucial for trading decisions, and Ironbeam makes sure you get high-quality data feeds to stay informed. One of the most impressive aspects of Ironbeam is its transparency. They clearly explain their pricing, margin requirements, and platform features. There are no hidden charges or complicated terms that confuse users. Everything is laid out in simple language, making it easier for traders to make informed decisions. This is especially important for beginners who may be overwhelmed by the complexity of futures trading. Ironbeam's commitment to transparency builds trust and creates a better trading experience overall. Ironbeam also offers demo account for users who want to participate before going live. This is a great feature for those who are new to futures trading or want to test our strategies without risking real money. The demo account includes access to all the platform features and uses real-time data, so you get a realistic trading experience. Practicing in a demo environment helps you build confidence, understand order types, and test your technical analysis skills before moving to a live account. For traders who prefer using external platforms, Ironbeam supports third-party software like NinjaTrader, TradingView, Sierra Chart, and MultiCharts. This means if you already have a favorite trading platform, you can still use it while keeping your Ironbeam account. This flexibility is valuable for experienced traders who have custom indicators or automated trading systems built into their preferred software. Now, let's consider whether Ironbeam is truly worth it for a future trades. If you are a beginner looking for a simple, web-based platform with solid support and fast order execution, Ironbeam is a very attractive option. It offers all the essential tools you need to get started without overwhelming you. The user interface is clean, the charts are powerful, and the risk controls are very helpful. The ability to trade from your browser or phone make it easy to stay connected to the markets at all times. If you are an experienced trader who value speed, customization, and advanced trading features, Ironbeam still holds up well. The depth of market views, quick order entry tools, and support for third-party platforms make it a strong choice. The fact that it's a clearing firm gives you faster trade processing and possibly lower fees depending on your trading volume. You also have access to a wide range of futures products including commodities, stock indices, interest rates, metals, energies, and more. Ironbeam also provides a built-in journal and analytics dashboard. This feature tracks your trades, analyzes your win or loss ratio, leverage profit or loss, and even highlights your most profitable contracts. Over time, this data helps you fine-tune your strategies and eliminate weak spots. Not all platforms provide this kinds of performance feedback built-in, so it's a major plus for traders who want to grow and improve over time. The platform has also integrated real-time economic calendars with alerts for major reports like non-farm payrolls, Fed announcements, inflation data, and more. These events often cause major movements in futures markets. Ironbeam's platform notifies you before the events and lets you see the historical impact of similar events on key markets. This helps you in preparing your trades or avoiding unnecessary volatility if you're not comfortable trading during news releases. Ironbeam offers free market data trials and discounted pricing for funded accounts. If you open and fund a live account, they often waive the platform fees or reduce market data costs for the first few months. They also have partnerships with prop trading firms and education providers, which means some users can get subsidized access through third-party deals. In terms of backend tech, Ironbeam servers are co-located near the CME Group's data center. This reduces latency and improves order routing speed, making it suitable for fast-paced trading. Even though this is more beneficial for high-frequency or institutional traders, individual users still enjoy smoother execution because of this proximity to the exchange. In conclusion, Ironbeam is definitely worth considering for future trades in 2025. Whether you're new to the futures market or an experienced professional, the platform has the tools and features to support your trading goals. It combines modern technology with solid customer service, transparent pricing, and excellent execution. While it may not have as many flashy features as some larger brokers, it delivers where it matters most: speed, reliability, and ease of use. For any serious about trading futures, Ironbeam is a platform that deserves attention. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.